Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel once again. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to update your YouTube app. So before getting started, I want you to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Let's get started. So firstly, what you have to do is for you to go over to your Play Store or Apple Store. When you go over to it, you have to go over to the search area and search in YouTube. Let me do that. So what you have to do is for you to go over to YouTube, and over here you are going to see updates. So let me go over to it and go over to updates, and you'll be able to update your YouTube app. And you updating your YouTube app, you're going to get the latest features on YouTube, the latest features and the latest version. It will take time for you to be updated to your phone, and guys, this is how you can be able to update YouTube on your mobile phone. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and see you next time. Bye.